Welcome. I'm going to be covering Pigments from Arturia. Just came out a couple weeks ago, and I finally got the chance to dig into it. I'm going to have to cover this in two videos because A, the preset pack on this is just bar none, and B, there's definitely a reason to come back and do this all with an actual sound design mentality and come up with some presets. I'm a big fan of this modal engine that they have right away. I'll do a quick overview. Your two engine bays, which you can do analog, wavetable, a sample, or the modal, along with the harmonic engine. We'll get into all that later. Utility engine. It's just essentially your serum on steroids with a couple more options. But for now, let's get into the presets because it kind of just speaks for the sound of the synth itself, just how good these are. This one's called Unicorn Fart. And that's exactly what I pictured a unicorn fart would sound like. Bravo. Vocal synth choir. And just to put it into scale, I picked 72 of these, and I feel like there wasn't enough time for me to actually go through them all and for me to make this video in time. So if you do decide to go with this synth, you have a lot of resources here because this was rapid firing and I got 72 of them that I was like, wow. For me, with a good synth, I can normally tell by the wind instruments. That's a really hard thing for any sound designer to pin. And vocals, obviously. This is sound effects. Unicorn fart. You like scary movies? Like the sound effects are just incredible. Beautiful pads. Now into the organs. Like, so well done. Like the Phantom of the Opera here. I'm playing it off of Ableton Push, by the way. Into some leads now. That's beautiful. So good. This open leak is incredible too. Anyways, gotta rip through these. They have great drums as well. I didn't pick too many for this demonstration, but incredible. This one's sick. Alright, now we're getting into the bass. Try and keep this quick. My biggest problem with making these videos lately has just been getting distracted and producing. Nice. Crazy. Oh, this was one of my favorites. Of course, the 303s. All right, that covers everything. Oh, the slap bass, the organic one. Sounds like Seinfeld up in here. Anyway, I'll be doing more coverage on the actual sound design of this thing and the functionality. Just right off the bat, the sound banks are incredible. I already started playing around with some kind of construction going on outside. Perfect. The modal engine is by far one of my favorite things on here. And the harmonics engine is great as well. Just top notch. Soft synth for real. Quite impressed. I didn't think that they could take me away from my baby serum, but this is bar none. Thanks for tuning in.